video we are going to make chocolate donuts. For that we need 2 cups of maida, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, 3/4 tablespoon baking powder, 1 tablespoon baking soda, 1 cup milk, 2 tablespoon lemon juice, 2 tablespoon butter and oil. Two cups of maida, 1/4 cup baking, 1/4 cup powdered sugar, 3/4 tablespoon baking powder, 2 tablespoon baking soda, salt to taste, mix it well. Half cup of milk, and we will need a dough. We will take a 2 teaspoon lemon juice and knead it. 2 teaspoon oil, just see, our dough is ready. We will add 2 tablespoons butter in the dough. Mix well and knead it. And we will cover this dough for 1 hour. Our dough is ready. 1 hour is past. We will take out one portion of it. And we will keep oil to heat. We will sprinkle some maida and we will roll it. If you have a donut cutter, you can use it, but I have a lid of bottle and a big dhakkan. First of all, we will take the big lid and we will put onto the base. We will cut out the shapes and we can use this dough again. And we will take a small lid of bottle and we will press it like this. And just see, our donut base is ready and we will fry it on medium flame. And we are going to fry these donuts on medium flame. Like this. We will fry this donut at low flame or medium flame because this is necessary for donut to rise up. And we will turn the and we will just see, our donut is ready. We will keep in this plate. See, this is rise up. We will put some more donuts in the oil at low flame. We have cooled these donuts and they are ready to choco dip. So first of all, to make chocolate, we'll take some dark chocolate and gonna melt on medium flame like this. We are going to stir this with the spoon. Now we will add some milk to the chocolate, over 2 tablespoons, and we are going to stir this. And this should be a thick batter of chocolate. So just see, our chocolate dip is ready. Like this thick, we want to cover these donuts. Turn off the flame and cool it down. Choco dip is ready, and I have cooled this. And we'll dip our donuts in the chocolate, and we will serve in this plate. We'll take another donut and we'll same this process. And just see, our chocolate donuts are ready. If you can decorate with sprinkles or another material like white chocolate, and just enjoy these donuts. Subscribe to my channel, press the bell icon, and never miss another update from Sweet Cuisine.